What is great about a yucca is that its root is filled with saponin. Saponin is basically like soap. It's easier to kind of dig around them when you don't have to worry about these spines. What I'm trying to do is get as much of the root as possible. I can use it as a loofah that has suds built in. Get rid of the outside of the bark. You pound this root so it opens up like a broom. So how do I wash my hands when I need them? We do this thing and it kind of looks like a water fountain. A lot of people think this seems gross at first because I'm going to put this water in my mouth and then put it on my hands to clean it. But your mouth should be pretty clean. All right, so we're good to go here. I was able to clean under my nails, which as we know is a huge place where we can get bad bacteria. I'll go ahead and scrub my whole body with this, you know, my armpits, groin area, feet, legs, arms, whatever you want.